This is the Nokia C21 Plus I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up the nearby share function on this device. First of all, you gotta make sure that the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data are enabled, so let me do exactly that. So I'll just go ahead and enable the mobile data through settings. Whatever, I guess. In here, yeah, as you can see, it has been successfully enabled by the fact that its shortcut is blue. Now, just swipe downwards on the top part of the display once again. Open the control center, and among the shortcuts, find the nearby share icon. Touch and hold on it. Then turn it on by, first of all, agreeing on this terms or permissions, granting the permissions that are required, then switch on this toggle. After that, you can change the device name. For example, I'll change it to HardReset Nokia. Then you can also change the device visibility. I'll set it to be visible for everyone. Then you can also change the data mode, the data mode for file transfer. And now our Nokia device can receive and respectively send the files through nearby share. So I will now send the file to it real quick. For a photo through nearby share. So in here I'll see whether Nokia will be discoverable at the first place. Here it is. I'll tap on it, except on the receiving end. As you can see, the photo has been successfully received. Now you can open it. It is also worth mentioning that this photo gets saved to downloads by default. Now you can open it with photos or files or whatever gallery app that you use. And that would be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.